Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. So today I'm create for the React for render HTML in web page. Okay, so in this session for the React renders for HTML to the web page by using the function called the create root and the method for the render. Okay, so in this the create root function takes on argument and HTML element, and then the purpose of the function is to define the HTML element where a React component should be displayed. Okay. And the next point is the render method. So it's then called to define the React component that should be rendered. Okay. So now I am open for in the VS Code, and in this session for is the render.html I am used for the in this for uses the app.js and also uses for the index dot. Okay, so here is the index.js. Okay, so now I'm also used for in this session in the click for the public, and here in this the index.html, and in this file I am uses and created for the render.html. Okay, so first of all I am going for the index.js file. Okay, so here, and now in this session I am just created for the index file. Okay, so in this session I am work from the index.js file. So in this code I am not using, so now in this for the remove. Okay, and just I am going for the my web browser, and here just I am refresh. Okay, so it's the output is not working, so I'm going for the index.js file. Okay, so here in this file I am save and just go. Okay, so in this the not show for is the annual output. So now I'm going for my VS code. So here first time import this code. So import for the React. Okay, and here I'm used for the from React, and then next line I am again create for the import for is the React DOM. Okay, and now I am in this for created, and then here is the React I'm used for the React DOM. Okay, React DOM, and then for slash I am create the client. Okay, so here in this code created, and now I'm used for the contact. Okay, and then create for the root. Okay, so in this for root here, so index, and now I'm scroll. Oh, this is in this the body tag inside for this the root. Okay, so now I'm going for in this the index file, and here I am import from the root is equal I am create for the React DOM. Okay, so here I'm create for dot is create for root. Okay, create root. Okay, and then create the parentheses, and here I'm insert from the document. Okay, and document dot create the get element by id. So in this id I'm use for the root. Okay, and last one then clone, and now here I'm use for the root render root dot the render method. Okay, it's the render, and create the parentheses, and here I am insert first is the p tag starting and closing, and here I am insert from the hello world. Okay, and save this code, and now I am going for in this. So here is the compile for the index dot. Here, so here this is. So now I am going for in this code inside, So now this is the clone. Okay. So now again set this code and just going for this, and here now I'm refresh. Okay. So now in this code I am for recheck. Okay, so here I am not declare for the DOM. Okay. So now in this, I hope this code was running and it's true. So now again set this code and just going for the in this terminal. So here and then refresh. So this problem is create the React DOM. Okay. It's DOM. So now save and going for in the term. Okay, so this is the output are perfectly printed. So this printed the hello world. Okay, so this print the hello world, and in this code for working perfectly. Okay, in this code I am printed for the another way and use for the contact. Okay, so and directly inserted from the element. Okay, so now I'm going for the index.js file. So here I am insert from the element. Okay, so first time create again is the contact. Okay, and then create for the element. Okay, it's element, and now I'm use for equal and then create the curly braces. So it's not use the curly braces, they use for the parent only parenthesis first braces. Okay, and now here I am the closing the semicolon. So now in this code first time create is the table. Okay, so table tag create table and closing. Okay, so here in this table use for the another tag for tr, and here insert from is the th tag, and first time insert is the name. Okay, and then I am also create again is th, and here is the create the phone. Okay, and in this code completed, and now I am going for in this the another tr tag. Okay, so here I am insert from the td. Okay, and then I am first create is td is Amit. Okay, and then I am create for the another td tag, and here I am insert from the phone number. Okay, it's the random number. So now it's created for the table, and here I am just directly uses for the element. Okay, so now here I am create for the element. Okay, so next one here is the root dot render method, and here I am insert from the element. Okay, so now save this code and just I'm going for into the browser. Okay, so it's automatically generated. Okay, so if it's printed for the name, then print for the phone number, and the name is the Amit and is the phone number. Okay, so in this the random.html I'm perfectly using. Okay, so I hope you enjoy in this video and helpful for in this video is more. Okay, so thank you for watching.